if Rahu is in third and Ketu is in ninth house, again we will link the Karakatvas of this third house and ninth house. Okay, third house, it is the house of your communication. It is the house of your initiation. How best you can initiate something. It is the house of your younger siblings. It is the house of your immediate surroundings. Immediate surroundings. It is the house of shorter travels. And it is also Dhanasthanas Dhanasthana, Vaksthanas Vaksthana. Second to second. So now what will happen if Rahu and Ketu, if they sit in third, 3 and 9 houses? No doubt, it is the house of our younger siblings. So the native will have a very good bonding with his younger siblings. Sometimes there are some false beliefs or some criminal propaganda in the society that if Ketu sits in the third house, it is not good for younger siblings, but it is not so correct. Okay, we will examine it at a later date. Okay, it is the native will have very strong bonding with his younger siblings. Okay, this is the house of communication, and also it is with his your immediate neighborhood. So the native will act like a leader in his immediate neighborhood because he is able to express his feelings so strongly within his neighborhood. Within his neighborhood. Okay, the native gains in short travels, but if Rahu Ketu are further afflicted, it will end up in losses. That is a different story altogether. Okay, this native will have very strong opinions about national and international affairs, which is basically unnecessary in his individual capacity. That is one negative side if Rahu is placed in third house. Okay. Then what happens if Ketu is in the ninth house, that is in Dharmasthana? Ketu is in Dharmasthana. Ketu promotes spiritual growth in ninth house. Ketu usually wherever he sits, detachment from whatever house he occupies. Ketu, if he sits in the ninth house, he detaches the native from this worldly pleasures, and the native will be automatically pulled towards the spiritual thoughts, etc. and all.